Everyone desires a reliable and robust memory system. Who wouldn't want to avoid the anxiety and embarrassment caused by memory failures? Once you've learned about various memory processes, you'll likely want to explore ways to enhance your memory. One effective approach involves using mnemonics, pronounced mnemonics, which are strategies specifically designed to improve memory. Some mnemonics focus on creating vivid mental images, while others emphasize organizing learned information. Let's delve into these techniques and explore how they can improve your memory. Mnemonics that utilize images require creating vivid and interactive mental images around the material you wish to remember. Two prominent techniques are the keyword method and the method of loci. Suppose you are learning words in a foreign language. With the keyword method, you identify an English word, assuming you know English, that sounds similar to the foreign word you want to remember. This English word serves as the keyword. For example, to remember the Spanish word pato, duck, you might choose pot as the keyword and imagine a duck floating in a pot of water. This method enhances learning compared to rote memorization. The method of loci. This method involves associating items you want to remember with specific physical locations or objects in a familiar space. It's particularly useful for remembering items in a sequence. Start by visualizing places or objects you know well in a specific order, then associate each item you want to remember with these locations. When you walk through these spaces mentally, you'll recall the items in sequence. Mnemonics using organization. Organizing information imposes a structure that makes it easier to remember. Mnemonics of this kind are valuable because they create a framework that simplifies the retrieval process. Chunking involves combining smaller units of information into larger, more manageable chunks. This technique enhances the capacity of short-term memory by organizing related items together. For example, when learning the features of short-term memory, chunking helps by grouping related features into coherent chunks. First letter technique. To use this technique, take the first letter of each word you want to remember and arrange them to form another word or a sentence. For instance, the colors of the rainbow can be remembered with the acronym VIBGYOR: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Some psychologists advocate for a more comprehensive approach to memory improvement that integrates knowledge about memory processes. Deep-level processing. Engage in deep-level processing to improve memory retention. Crack and Lockhart demonstrated that processing information in terms of its meaning leads to better memory compared to focusing on surface features. To achieve deep processing, ask questions about the information, relate it to existing knowledge, and consider its implications. Minimize interference. Interference, a major cause of forgetting, occurs when similar materials are learned sequentially. To minimize interference, vary your study subjects or distribute your learning sessions. Taking breaks during study sessions can also reduce interference. Provide retrieval cues. Identify and use retrieval cues inherent in your study material to aid memory retrieval. Link parts of the material to these cues, making it easier to recall information during exams or presentations. PQRST method. Thomas and Robinson developed the PQRST method to aid memory retention. Preview. Skim through the chapter to get an overview. Question. Generate questions about the content. Read actively, seeking answers to your questions. Self-recitation. Summarize and explain the material aloud. Test. Assess your understanding by testing yourself. In conclusion, while mnemonic techniques are valuable tools for memory improvement, there's no one-size-fits-all solution. Improving memory requires attention to various factors such as health, motivation, familiarity with the subject matter, and the specific nature of memory tasks. By integrating these strategies effectively, you can enhance your memory capabilities and improve academic performance over time.